Data cleaning and curation. Basically, data cleaning and curation are essential pre-processing steps in machine learning that involves detecting, correcting, or removing errors, inconsistency, and irrelevant information from datasets to ensure high quality, reliable data. So cleaning address issues like missing values, duplicates, noise, and formatting errors, while curation involves organizing, labeling, and selecting data that best represents the problem domain. Technically, these steps improve model training by reducing bias, improving generalization, and enhancing robustness. From the business perspective, investing in thorough data cleaning and curation leads to more accurate models, better decision making, and reduced risk, enabling organizations to trust their AI system and gain competitive advantages. Thank you.